The music of the 90s certainly cannot be defined by anyone's style of music. Styles such as pop, dance, alternative, and R&B all came together to create the sound of the 90s.
Baby, since we never, ever agreed.
You like movies and I like TV.
I like it quiet,
I like to shout, but when we get together it just all works out. I take 2 steps forward, I take 2 steps back. They come together 'cause opposites attract. You know, it ain't fiction, just a natural fact. They come together 'cause opposites attract. You know it. Everybody dance now. Everybody dance now. Everybody dance.
Here is to go. Back with the pace. The jam is live and the best, and it don't waste time. Off the mic with the dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump, jump to the rhythm, jump. 9 is here to combine beats and lyric to make you shake your pants. Take a chance. Come on and dance. Guys, grab a girl, don't wait.
Come on, let's sweat, baby. Let the music take control. Let the rhythm move you.
Everybody sweat. Sweat. Let the music take control.
Let the rhythm move you.
5, 4, 3,
2,
1. People of the world today, are we looking for a better way of life?
say, we are a part of the rhythm nation.
People of the world tonight, straighten up so we can set it right.